The clouds are getting darker.
Yay, the first rain!
Wow, I can feel the rain.
It's so cool and nice.
Whee, this is so much fun.
Yeah, our splasher!
This mud is so squishy.
I'm making castles.
Watch, this so much fun. Let's build a mud castle.
Yes, mine will have a moat.
And a tower. This is so fun. Look at my castle.
Mine's gonna be even bigger.
This is the best mud ever. Here goes my red boat.
Mine's going to float so far.
This is the best day ever. Let's make more. My boat is ready to sail.
Look at mine.
Let's race them.
Go, little boats.
Woo, floating.
Race you to the bend. Mine's winning.
Go, go. Wow, the rainbow's getting bigger.
And the sun is coming out.
This is so magical. Wow, look at the rainbow.
It's so beautiful.
Let's race the puddles.
Yeah.
Look, the rainbow is still there.
It's so pretty.
And our boats are floating.
Mommy, where are you? Mommy, I need you. Please come back.
Hey there, little one. I brought you something.
Eh?
It's for you, a friend.